friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this one, I'm going to do the speed test and the RAM management test comparison between the OnePlus Nord 2 versus Realme X1 Max device after recent software update. Yes, when just a couple of days back, I did receive the software update in the OnePlus Nord 2 and I did update to the Realme UI 3.0 update and even the Android 12 update as well in the Realme X1 Max. Let's see what will be the speed test and what will be the RAM management test during this process. And this video I'll try to include the 5 applications and 5 games during this time of comparison between these two phones. And let's see friends which phone can actually open the applications and games faster and how many apps and games will be there in the background as a RAM management. These are the few things which I'll try to concentrate in this video comparing between this both phones. So right now as you can see both are completely restarting at this moment. And still now I did not receive any kind of Android 12 update in the OnePlus Nord 2, not yet. So maybe it might take some time to get the stable version. So right now still in the beta version only the Realme X1 Max has got, not the stable one. So maybe the OnePlus Nord 2 might release direct stable version itself instead of beta and trial version. Right now both phones are connected to same 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network and there is no high performance mode used during this process of testing. Nothing at all. And I'm trying to use the external rank capabilities in the Realme X1 Max during the process of demonstration. And now let's start with the first application, which is a Chrome application. Let's see which phone actually opens the Chrome first. Pretty close, nothing much. It's a touch sampling rate application which I just want to keep in the background. Amazon application. Both are kind of loading. Mobiles. So let's keep some random mobile in the background as a RAM management. Let's go back. Maybe this mobile. Yep. I just want to keep this in the background. Let's open this page. So let's go back and open the Flipkart. Let's go to the mobiles. And Realme. Random phone I'm trying to open at this time. Yep. And next is a speed test. So here's a speed test comparison between these both phones. Let's do the speed test comparison. So right now as you can see using the same Wi-Fi connection I'm trying to do the speed test and these are the results. And right now speed test has been finished and right now all the 5 applications are completely open in the background as you can clearly see. Now let's move to the games. Let's start with the games. And these games, I did not add them into the game space. I not added into the game space because I'm getting plenty of feedback that the RAM management will be affected if you try to add these games in the game space. That's the reason there is no game space, there is no high performance mode, nothing is involved during this process of demonstration. So without game space, I'm trying to do this kind of testing, friends. Always remember. So I don't want to see the comments saying again, you added into the game space will be deleting RAM management. So I did not add them. OnePlus Nord 2 did open first and Realme X1 Max did take a lot of time anyway. So here's another game which I'm trying to open in this. Right now both phones are loading. Next see the Candy Crush, what's happening. So Candy Crush, I'm not sure why the game space is activated because I did not add them into the game space, Candy Crush and everything. Let's open the games. Here's the games. As you can see friends, right now there is no Candy Crush involved here. As you can see there is no Candy Crush at all, but Candy Crush has been added into the game space. For some reason this kind of weird thing is happening in the OnePlus Nord 2 after the recent update. You can see it's not there, but as soon as I open the Candy Crush, sometimes game space got activated, but I'm not sure why. But still I'm trying to mention that clearly what's going on as well. So there's another same, even this application is not there in the game space, which I cannot do anything about it at this moment. So next is a Temple Run. Temple Run, the first opened in the Realme X1 Max device and the OnePlus Nord 2 taking some time, a little bit time, but not a huge, just a little bit kind of time, that's it. Right now friends, all the 5 applications and 5 games are completely open between these both phones and I'm trying to mention again in the games, there is no Candy Crush, there is no Stake Balls but still those got activated. Even there is no Elcram Racing as well. So I'm trying to mention again. So 5 applications and 5 games completely open in the background RAM management. And now let's start with the first application which is a Chrome application. Let's see which phone can actually handle this Chrome first. So both phones refreshed. Both phones are not great. And touch sampling rate, both phones refreshed even. Amazon, not bad. Realme X and Max did keep in the background RAM management. That's kind of good. Better than the OnePlus Nord 2. Flipkart, yes, both phones did keep Flipkart. Speed test, both phones, it's not there in the background. Battlegrounds mobile game, it got closed in the OnePlus Nord 2, but it's open in the Realme X and Max device. Hill climbing racing, it's closed again. Open. So stake balls, it's kind of open in the OnePlus Nord 2, not bad. And Temple Run, it got closed. As you can see, means OnePlus Nord 2 is not that doing great in terms of the RAM management test after the recent update, and there are a lot of bugs and a lot of issues as well with the recent update, which I'll try to make another video. So make sure to stay tuned for those videos in case if you're interested. But right now, this is a quick speed test and the RAM management test which we got to know. Realme X and Max did not open these two applications. Apart from that, everything is open in the background. 3 applications and 5 games completely open. OnePlus Nord 2 did kind of not that great. It was below 5 only scored. So this is a quick comparison between these both phones after the recent software update. This is a situation in the OnePlus Nord 2. Even though not adding these games in the game space, they're getting activated automatically. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates. In case if you want me to do any other comparisons, let me know in the comment section below. And meanwhile, signing off until then, stay tuned for more updates. Bye.